Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are fixing the Bluetooth audio stuttering, hacking, or lag in your Windows. So let's get straight into the fix and get started. So for that, you can just go over and bring the device closer and remove the interference. So if your Bluetooth cords out or too far from the PC or behind the walls, you can try using it within the 1-2 meters to test it out. Apart from that, you can click on your sound icon. So find this sound icon and open up your sound settings. And once you find your sound settings right here, look out for the input or the audio output that you're currently using, speaker or headphones, etc. And make sure the headphones or the speaker are selected while you are using the device right there. And also you can just go over and look out for Windows plus R and there type in mmsys.cpu and hit enter. And this sound control panel should open up. You can go over to the recording tab and then find your Bluetooth device right here and click on that particular Bluetooth device and go to the properties of that. And once you go to their properties, you can just go over and look out for the hand-free telephony option if that is available in your Bluetooth device. You should be finding it and you can restart your Bluetooth and that should probably fix the issue. Also update your Bluetooth drivers. For that, you can press Windows plus X and go to your device manager. Hit enter. And once you hit enter, you can expand Bluetooth. So go ahead and find Bluetooth and expand it up. And once you find expand, you can right click on your adapter and select the option of update driver. And you can search automatically for drivers updated.